Hi guys, welcome back to another Paper Chaser tutorial. Today we'll be learning how to make a sliding cauldron card. Here's what you'll need. The template, which you'll find at paperchaser.to, cardstock, scissors or a knife, and some glue. So we'll start off by gluing the slider pieces together. That would be the slider front and slider back along with the bubbles. So here I'm strategically placing the glue along the slider front so that it misses that little gap there that you see along the slider back. Remember, if you need any guidance, you can find all of the written instructions, which will include glue guides, on my blog at paperchaser.to. Now we'll glue the bubbles along the top of the slider front piece, transitioning it into the slider back. Now grab the body middle piece and we're going to slide the slider piece through the slit at the top. It's going to be a tight fit, so have some patience with this step. Now we'll glue the body middle to the body back piece, placing the glue along the edges of the back of the body middle piece. Once that is done, take your body rim and add some glue onto the back of that piece, and we're going to place it on top of the rim of the body front piece. Now flip that over and add some glue onto the back. We'll slide it over the top of the sliding mechanism, gluing it behind that on top of the body middle piece. Make sure you align everything nicely so that the green of the body middle piece isn't seen. Finally, all you'll have to do is glue the stick into place, and you have yourself a sliding cauldron card. I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification button to be notified of all of my new uploads. And as always, until next time, happy crafting. See you in my next video. Bye.